Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial guys. In this video I will explain you how to model this angled round to square duct in SolidWorks, and this is its flattened form. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK, and from here specify the background to plain white, and from here make sure that you have selected right units. I'm working in mmgs. Now select top plane and click on sketch. From here select a center rectangle and make a rectangle at this origin. Then let's specify the dimension. For that select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line as 200 mm and specify the length of this line as 150 mm, and then select the center line and make here a straight center line. I'm intentionally making this line inclined so that I can show you how to make it straight like this by specifying this vertical relation. Now here select offset entities, then select this line. Make sure that you have selected this bidirectional because we want two lines, and here specify the offset distance. I'm specifying as 1 mm, and then select the trim entities tool. Make sure that you have selected this power trim and trim this internal area. Then press escape button and select this line and make it as construction geometry, and the other line as well. These lines will be converted into center lines. Then exit this sketch. Now go to features, and in this reference geometry select this plane. I want a plane that will be offset from this top plane because we have made our previous sketch on this top plane, and here specify the offset distance. I'm specifying as 145 mm. Then select this plane and make a sketch on it. On this plane we will be making the circle. For reference select here a center line and make here a center line like this. Now select this line and make relation horizontal to make sure that this is straight. Now make a circle here, and now let's specify the diameter of this circle. I'm specifying as 70 mm, and now we need to specify the distance from this origin point to the center of the circle, and this distance is 50 mm. Okay, and now make here a center line like this. Now select this line and make relation as vertical to make sure that this is straight at 90 degree. Now here select the offset entities and select this center line. Make sure that you have selected this bidirectional, and here specify 1 mm as offset distance. And now select trim entities and cut this internal arcs. Now press escape button and then select this line and make it as construction geometry, and the other as well. Construction geometry means that these lines will be converted into center lines which have no effect on our sketch other than reference. Now hide this plane because we have nothing to do with the plane anymore, and from here make sure that you have enabled this sheet metal tab. From here this is our sheet metal tab, and you have to select this lofted bend. When you select it, in this window you need to select both of the edges. This rectangular, it's appeared here, and this circular, and here you need to make sure that you have selected this bend, and from here you need to specify the thickness. I'm specifying here as 3 mm. Let me increase it so that you can visualize it. This is 8 mm. You can see this is much more, and this is 3 mm. Now check this box from here, and now let me apply some appearance before flattening it. And here is our round to square duct or square to round duct. Now let me flatten it so that you can see its flattened version. This is the tool for the flatten. When we select it, it will take some processing time while flattening it, and here is our plate that can be used to make the duct. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.